In this video, I'm going to show you how I can have a one-click checkout in Shopify. First of all, go to your products, click on the desired product. I want this one, so I click on view, and I want it to add to cart. And then I want to check out. And I want to copy this address. After this, I can close it down and I can head over to Elf site. And here in Elf site, we want to, let's just close this down. We'll delete this because I already have a widget, but we want to create a widget. And as you can see, there comes a lot of buttons about here. And I like this one because the button is nice. The text and the color doesn't matter. So I want to change the action to link to page and copy in my link. I want to change the button label to buy now. And I can add an icon. And when I've done this, I can click on publish. I can click on install, and then I get this code. So now I can head back to Shopify and into my online store, and I can click here on customize. And now I want to head into my catalog and onto my product. I have my product right here. I click on this and I go all the way down to the template. And then I click on product tabs and I add block, and I add this HTML code. I double tap on it and I scroll down. My HTML code, and after I have added this one, I click on save. And as you can see, the button is right there. And then I can go out and I can watch I can check if it works. I go to my catalog, click on this one, and the button pops up. When I click on it, it takes me directly to checkout.